Hey everyone, in this video I'm doing some more rehab work on the basket case BMW. The closer I look at the car, the more problems I find. Some of them were due to age and some were caused by the previous owner. This video will cover a bunch of that, plus there will be another rehab video after this one. Thankfully there's a salvage yard less than 15 minutes away with a bunch of BMWs in it. That has been really helpful with this project and saved me a lot of money. Anyway, let's get started. Remember that messed up front fender? I found another one at the salvage yard. Unfortunately, all the fenders were damaged to some extent, but this one is good enough. At least now I can open the door without cringing. While I was at the salvage yard, I also found a battery hold down. For some reason mine was missing. This may seem like a minor thing, but racing rules often require the battery to be secured. And I do plan on racing this car in the future. Also, remember the broken taillight? I replaced that too. It's common for the intake hoses to deteriorate and cause incorrect mass airflow readings. So I checked them and found this. Now I know why the previous owner left the mass airflow sensor unplugged. I bought a new one and installed it. Also, while I was in there, I decided to check the DISA valve. It came out in pieces. Luckily, none of the pieces got sucked into the engine. I bought a repair kit and rebuilt the DISA valve. I decided to remove and clean the throttle body and the idle control valve as well. I also checked the fluids. I didn't see any coolant in the oil or oil in the coolant, and I didn't see any bubbles in the coolant while the engine is running, so the head gasket should be okay, for now. However, I did notice the car had the wrong power steering fluid. It had a clear fluid in it, but it's supposed to use automatic transmission fluid. So I drained out the clear fluid and refilled it with ATF. Also, the cooling system appeared to be filled with plain water. I drained it out and refilled with universal coolant. The universal coolant is cheaper than the blue stuff and it shouldn't hurt anything. Last but not least, I got tired of propping up the hood with a 2x4. The hood struts were toast. I found a pair of good ones at the salvage yard and installed them. Okay, we covered a lot of stuff, but there's even more. We'll cover the rest of it in the next video.